Hey fam. Hi fam. This is Stephanie Wade. I am Habasia. I'm just going to give you a little tour of my garden after the rain. I'm just so excited about it. Just had to share with you guys. Enjoy my garden. Yeah, everything is just so nice and green this morning. I didn't know what was going to happen with them. It seemed like all of the leaves just come on automatically. I don't know. Look like I'm probably exaggerating. They look inches taller. And my little hibiscus is closed, but it still didn't fall off or anything. And you see my tree and my unknown variety of plant. This is supposed to be a sugar cane, but guys, I'm starting to doubt it. If I transplant it, it'll be strictly because it's decorative. My little hibiscus tree. And all of my, that big old tree over here, it's actually purple lettuce. It's really growing. And my berries look so good now. Don't even look like the ones that I transplanted. I can't believe how good they look. Just so nice and green. And this flower here, I doubt if I ever use it for toilet paper, but it's sure pretty. And I don't know what's that's on the side. It's supposed to be one of those complementary plants. Like I said the other day, it's probably some kind of lettuce or greens or whatever it is, but it's supposed to be planted behind the okra. All these pepper plants. And that's my oregano. My other plant in the corner might be, I don't know what kind of plant, I don't want to lie, but it's supposed to be complementary to the garden. Boysenberry, starting to look beautiful. Other boysenberry, I wouldn't have recognized them if I wouldn't have grown myself from the packaging, because it came in the mail. I had no idea it would ever look that good. And my onions are surely looking good. And my carrot tops are looking so good. I don't know if they'll ever really grow carrots, but they'll regrow carrots. But it sure look good. Other little plants, they'll let me know what they are soon enough. It's my herb. My stevia plant. And as usual, this is a morning show and it's live. And I decided to hurry up and do it before my neighbors start making too much noise. Their workers, again, somebody is coming, starting to make noise soon. So I had to hurry up and just do this before they drown me out. And this is my red pepper. And this is a basil, looking beautiful. I'm gonna have to come and harvest some of it later. Another hibiscus plant. And my bamboo. Because of the way it's looking right now, I think you might be able to see it okay. I hope so. And this is my little plant that everybody likes in the tire. Just a tire I got from the recycling place, believe it or not. Before all of this Corvette 19 though. Cleaned it up real nice and painted it. The flowers really like the rain. Look how they just standing up, guys. And look at my rose. Really looking beautiful. And then one of my favorites, of course, the tomato plant. I know. I'm just so excited about every little tomato. Every little tomato. I know I didn't plant it. Personally, I didn't plant the seed, but I did put the little cage around this one and put it in a little container and keep doing whatever little research I can to see how to make it grow and live. I just don't want to kill the pot plant. I just wanted to let it live and get to eat some of the fruits of my labor, literally. And my fig tree, it's really growing up. I'm so excited about it. It was just a little stick when it came in the box, and now look at it. And then my watermelon, look like that hill is growing so much. I'm gonna make it bigger next time, but to me, it's growing. The hill is growing on its own. Maybe it's the root system that makes the hill bigger, you know? Maybe. But look at all my nice leaves now. This is my watermelon. I don't see any little baby watermelons yet, but I do see the little things that might turn into watermelon. Maybe. From what I've been reading, look like each one of these little things here might turn into a little watermelon. Maybe. We'll see. But I do like looking at them. My baby banana plants growing by the day. My chocolate mint. More of my onions. More of my unknown plant that's looking good. This other one that's growing. To me, this is growing better. The seeds that I dropped, growing better than the onions that's in the bucket with it. Funny. Never know what's gonna grow. And this little plant here, I'm gonna have to take it out of there and put it in the ground. It's like outgrown this container. And I didn't even know what it was. Some kind of seed I just put in here. Some kind of little, it's gonna turn into a tree. Maybe it's an orange or something, I don't know. My moringa plant. My little moringa seed. Well, not a seed anymore. But it's trying to be a tree. It is a tree. Hopefully it'll make it to a big tree. And my banana that started off in the other yard. It's looking good today. The rain was very good for it. Very satisfied. Happy. And the birds, oh wow. I got all kind of nice birds around here. I don't know if you'll be able to see any of them or not. I get lucky to see birds sometime around here. Think I'm gonna let y'all see. Oh, look at the little birds out there. Told you guys. Now this is my purple Okinawa potatoes. Now hopefully I didn't kill them underneath. They look good on top, but I might be just growing pretty leaves. Who knows until it's harvest time. But for now I can just enjoy the leaves. I know I might have to turn around and take some of those take the weeds out. Seem like it's trying to grow some grass, so I will pluck them out this evening. Not too hard though, because I don't want to disturb the potatoes growing underneath. See my little angel? I have her there to try to scare the birds away, because they was just eating worms at first, and then seemed like they wanted to mess with my heel. I was like, oh no, can't happen. So I have the angel there, and I have a mirror just in case they, scared of seeing themselves and think it's another bird or something. See my lighting system? It's a solar. After the rain, see the little rain particles? That's my little solar. My little